So Hoppin John is basically black-eyed peas and rice. That simple combination. But we're going to take our time and add a lot of flavor to it, starting with this yellow onion and this red pepper here. Just a couple tips about cutting a red pepper. I always lob off the top and the bottom and then insert the knife here and rotate the pepper to take that membrane off, and look how easily the insides come out. And then you got a pretty clean outer shell. You can cut in half to make it more manageable. Slide that through to get any remaining pith. Pretty easy. And then you cut that in half and stack these, and now you're working with some nice manageable pieces. To get to a dice, we cut it into strips first and then come back through, chop, chop, chop. And don't forget to still do this to the top and the bottom. You don't want to waste those. That's perfectly good red pepper. We're camping at a cabin this weekend, just feeding the stove. I'm in a kitchen using pans that I've never used before, but it worked out. It did a super high heat. Hear that sizzle of the onion and the pepper. And while they go and soften, we're going to mash up some garlic. 2 cloves here. When you smash them like that and come back and cut them, it makes mincing it much faster. Kind of a 2-step process there. Smash and then mince. Add that in and just give it a quick stir. It doesn't need very long at all. Lots of cracked black pepper and salt to your liking. And to give it even more color, I want to throw in some parsley a little later when I add the black-eyed peas and the rice. I think I did about a 50-50 mix of each, but it was ultimately a can of black-eyed peas and leftover rice. And leftover rice is often the inspiration to make Hoppin John when you already have the rice handy. Just keep stirring that. It does not need very long, just well heated through and well seasoned. So while that's heating through, this is when I prepare the parsley. And so the finishing touches with this is really the parsley and a little bit of butter. Since we're not adding any animal fats, Hoppin John is usually made with pork products, but this comes together really quick. I think this served 2 or 3 of us, a healthy portion. Lots of protein and fiber, obviously, because of the black-eyed peas. But it's super easy. It's vegetarian, comes together quick. I hope you can give it a try. I'll put the recipe in the comments.